So Miranda, what part of the EF curriculum do you find helpful for you?
I really like using the colors to help me know what I have. Like how if I see blue, I'm like, yay, I don't have any homework. And knowing that as soon as I see green, I know that I have to do something, and it's really helped. Like I've trained my brain to be able to understand what the colors mean, being able to just see it orderly, and like it's really helpful.
Or has it helped you at all?
Yes, it has incredibly. I didn't even think there was honestly hope for me before EF happened. Not really fun before that happened, so I think it has improved my way of learning.
So what is it like sight words?
Like sight words. When I first went here, I learned how to like memorize sight words, and if I had EF time back in grade 4, I'd probably like know this like awesomely.
This routine?
Yeah, I know this routine like way better than I do, which like I'm learning how to use it now, but I kind of wish we just did it before.
So what parts of the EF do you find most beneficial?
I think
For you?
For me, I like the colors and like knowing when things are due and like what order I should do them and how to chunk everything, and then I like that. And I like how EF time, like at the end of the class, we have like 10 minutes and we make sure we write down all our homework, because otherwise like there's no way I'm gonna remember, and then I'm never gonna do it, right?
So do you feel like the strategies that you have learned this year are preparing you for when you leave Fraser next year?
I think so. It's definitely, before it was like all the due dates and all the chunking stuff was in my head, but there was no visual out, so I'd get thinking about other things and then realize the day before, oh, I had this essay that I had 4 weeks to work on. Now I have 4 hours.
And then how did that make you feel like that?
It was definitely a major anxiety for me, and now with everything written out and everything really clear, I can see like, oh, I'm behind at this, it's the due date's coming up, and I can see ahead. I don't have time to finish that, and I can ask a teacher a week before if I can have an extension rather than like the beginning of class.
I would say that the most useful is probably the shape of the day, because then when I come into class I can actually see what we're doing instead of asking the teacher every single day.
So it's really beneficial for me to have the shape of the day up, because then it reduces my anxiety for the work that I have to do.
The teacher wouldn't let us give us time to do it, and then I would forget to put it on my agenda. And now
that you're getting time,
that I'm getting time, I actually can do it, and then I won't forget to do it later.
So if you have work to do, then you write it in your agenda, and then you can see when you get home what you have to do.
that's perfect. I noticed that you have some colors on your agenda too. Do those colors mean anything? Can you tell me what they mean?
This one means you have to get it done, and this one means try to get it done. And the blue one means chill.
Awesome, chill. You don't have any homework.
No, I didn't really like it at first. I find it kind of tedious to do, and it was hard to get used to. But once I started doing it and started writing in my calendar, I found that it kept me somewhat on track of my homework, and it helped me to get organized, which is quite a miracle.